Every great industry is built on precision, on the courage to design, the discipline to manufacture, and the commitment to deliver, on time, every time. This is the story of General Engineering Works, where innovation is engineered into every component. In 1992, visionary engineer Mian Muhammad Akram founded General Engineering Works with a clear mission: build machines that last and elevate local engineering to global standards. By 1995, his team introduced Pakistan's first single-punch lollipop forming machine, a breakthrough that reshaped productivity and reliability across confectionery lines. From those beginnings, he led with integrity, hands-on mastery, and an unwavering focus on quality, laying the foundation for a company trusted at home and abroad. Today, General Engineering Works designs and manufactures high-performance confectionery machinery and industrial equipment, purpose-built for uptime, accuracy, and cleanability. From concept to commissioning, we deliver complete solutions: mechanical design, precision machining, structural fabrication, fitting, assembly, testing, packing, and export logistics. Engineering excellence starts in our office. Our design engineers translate customer requirements into robust 3D models, tolerance stacks, and detailed manufacturing drawings. Finite fit checks ensure every interface, shaft to bearing, gear to keyway, meets spec before metal is cut. Our project and supply chain teams plan material releases, vendor schedules, and inspection gates, coordinating production with real-time updates so each department knows what to build, how to measure it, and when it ships. Our client services and after-sales teams document manuals, spares lists, and maintenance schedules, so startups are smooth and support is immediate. And our marketing and sales leadership builds partnerships worldwide, aligning capacities, lead times, and technical scope so customers receive exactly what they need, when they need it. This is where precision begins: on the screen, on the schedule, and on the page. With drawings released, production moves to our state-of-the-art workshop, a coordinated flow through turning, milling, CNC wire cutting, welding, and fitting. Each stage has its own quality gate. Nothing passes without proof. On the lathe, raw stock becomes accurate, balanced components. We perform facing to establish datum surfaces, rough and finish turning to achieve diameter and concentricity, threading for fasteners and shafts, and taper turning for press-fit interfaces. Critical rolling components, shafts, spindles, rollers, are checked for runout, surface finish, and shoulder squareness. Chamfers, radii, and reliefs are machined to relieve stress and assist assembly. Proper tool geometry and coolant control produce consistent finishes that extend bearing life and reduce vibration in the final machine. The milling department creates the geometry that makes parts assemble right the first time. We machine keyways, slots, bolt patterns, precision pockets, gear housings, machine bases, and mounting faces. Flatness, parallelism, and squareness are verified against the drawing. We deburr intelligently, protecting mating surfaces, so there are no burr-induced misalignments. Counterbores and dowel holes ensure repeatable, foolproof assembly at fitting. When geometry becomes complex and tolerances tighten, our CNC wire cut machines take over. Intricate dies, mold plates, cam profiles, guide slots, and timing components are cut by computer-controlled wire, delivering fine kerf control and exceptional edge quality. Because parts from wire cut match their digital models so closely, assemblies engage smoothly. Guides run true, seals seat properly, and timing remains consistent, shift after shift. A machine is only as durable as its frame. Our welding department fabricates structures using MIG, TIG, and stick processes as appropriate to material and thickness. We prep joints, control heat input, and stitch sequence to minimize distortion. After welding, frames are stress-relieved where required, surfaces are dressed, and mounting pads are re-established for precision assembly. Every critical structural member is inspected, because dimensional stability here protects accuracy everywhere else. In fitting, craftsmanship meets measurement. Bearings are installed with controlled fits, shafts aligned, gears backlash set, and couplings checked for angular and parallel offset. Sub-assemblies, feed modules, forming heads, wrapping units, are built to spec with torque-verified fasteners and alignment to datums established in machining. Careful lubrication and seal placement ensure clean, reliable performance from startup. Final assembly integrates frames, drives, controls, and guards. Machines run through no-load and loaded tests to verify speed, stability, temperature, and sound profile. Safety interlocks and guarding are validated. Only when performance is repeatable across cycles do we sign the inspection sheet and authorize packing. Quality isn't an opinion, it's measured. Each department stamps results at the QC gate: dimensional checks, surface finishes, runout, alignment, torque, vibration, and functional performance. Documentation travels with the machine so the customer receives a complete quality record alongside their equipment. Approved machines move to our warehouse, a controlled, organized space where units are labeled, wrapped, and staged by destination. We verify spares kits, tool sets, manuals, and nameplates. Crating protects critical surfaces. Moisture barriers and desiccants preserve finishes and electrics. When logistics confirm the sailing, the loading plan is released. Whether your line produces ball bubble gum, center-filled gum, bazooka-style sticks, toffees with double twist or pillow wrap, or other confectionery formats, our machines are engineered for uptime, hygiene, quick changeovers, and consistent output. General Engineering Works equipment operates across Pakistan and internationally, throughout South Africa, Ethiopia, Mozambique, Kenya, Tanzania, Malawi, Uganda, Sudan, Nigeria, Mali, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Ghana, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, and more. Wherever reliability matters, our machines deliver. Guided by the legacy of me and Muhammad Akram, the next generation leads with the same focus on quality and partnership. Advancing design, lean production, and global service, so every shipment strengthens our customers' competitive edge. Our relationship continues beyond delivery. We provide installation support, operator training, preventive maintenance plans, and genuine spares. Remote assistance helps you troubleshoot fast. Scheduled service keeps performance on spec and output on target. From lathe and milling to CNC wire cut, from welding and fitting to assembly, testing, warehousing, and export, General Engineering Works builds machines that work as hard as you do. General Engineering Works. Engineering excellence, crafted with precision, delivered to the world. And once the machines are delivered to their destinations, our responsibility does not end there. At General Engineering Works, we believe that every client should feel confident in operating, maintaining, and benefiting from the technology we provide. Our engineers, led by experienced supervisors and guided by the founder's vision, travel to the client's factory. There they stand beside the machines, explaining step by step how each system works, teaching the importance of precision and safety, showing how to achieve perfect shapes and finishes. This training is not just technical, it is mentorship. Clients learn the little secrets of engineering that only come from decades of experience. They are taught how to care for the machines, how to troubleshoot problems, and how to maintain efficiency for years to come. Through this process, our machines don't just arrive, they come to life in the hands of our clients. This is the true value of General Engineering Works: machines built with passion, delivered with responsibility, and taught with dedication.